Girl, you make me go so loco, loco, make me go crazy. We would make a beautiful baby. Knock on wood, is you trying to date me? Is it you?
You know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna love you with what you do. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. You don't make it time. Okay, you know it's true. I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone who cares. Maybe don't you be so sure that you cry. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is good time, and I got plenty of, I better get all my love and take it home, baby. I'm gonna stay by your side, be very cool with you, and let you know everything you want. A 3-finger combo with 2 extra cane sauce, extra toast, a sweet tea, and can I have 2 kids combos?
Okay, what's the drinks with those?
Lemonade,
Okay, what else can I get for it?
and can I have another extra toast?
Okay.
And that'll be all.
It'll be $27.66. Thank you.
Thank you.
3-finger combo with 2 extra sauces, 2 toast, 2 kids meal, 2 kids lemonade.
Yes.
It'll be $27.66. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. We need to get gas later. Thank you.
Did you guys catch up with that?
Yes, please.
Is your first time on the
Thank you. Here, Micah. Thank you. You as well. Y'all, my phone don't got no storage, so hopefully we're able to get a vlog in for today. Hopefully. Why are you drinking all your drink? You're not gonna have nothing when you eat your food. Don't drink all your drink right now, Zaire. Save some for when you eat. We're about to eat in the parking lot because Michael's hair appointment is at 12:30, and right now it is only 11:39, so we're like extremely early. I should have went to get gas though, because your girl is on E. Your girl is on E. But yeah, I'll chat with y'all later because I don't have that much storage, and I gotta make sure I have enough storage to finish vlogging for the rest of the day. So bye.
She be in a group, brody on her friend, don't alley loop, turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof, how can I lose when we the who's, still running.
Hey y'all, we just left Micah's hair appointment. Before we went to the hair appointment, I just want to say your girl finally reached 600 subscribers. And make some noise, y'all. What the? Anyway, 600 is not bad. I feel like I could get 400 by the end of March. So
400. I feel like I can get the last 400 so that I can reach 1,000 by the end of March. So y'all tell me what y'all think. But I got her hair done. Micah said hey to the vlog. She said the lady did a really good job and she got curls, and she said that the lady complimented her while she was doing her hair, so she deserved a new toy. So we gonna see what we can do for Micah, y'all. Right now I'm about to take the kids home because I have Bible study at 3 o'clock. It is now 2:56. I'm gonna be late, but I already let the girls know that I was gonna be late, so yeah. And then y'all remember I had purchased some stuff for I had purchased the girls some gifts for Bible study, so I have to go home and package the gifts because I didn't package the gifts yet, y'all. And then y'all seen in my last vlog, I cleaned my car out, and literally just the 30 minutes that me and the kids sat in the car to eat, the car got dirty again. So I got to throw all this stuff in the trash, and then I got to go in the house. I got to package these bags, and then I've never been to the place that we're going, so yeah, I got to like Google that to see where exactly it is that we're eating. We're gonna have pho today, so yeah, I gotta go do that. Then I gotta get gas because your girl is on, well, I'm not on E, but I got 43 miles until I'm on E, so that is my dilemma right now. So okay, y'all, we a little late, but each bag is one of the girls' favorite colors, so everything that goes in each bag is the color of the bag. So yeah, we gotta rush. We gotta rush. Rush, baby. We gotta rush. Rush, baby. Okay. We got this. Or whichever one of your favorite colors is purple. I was paying attention, I don't really remember. And then we got these little things. And then we got these cute little bracelets.
I know. I'm gonna cover the whole thing.
This cute little note. Look at there. This is a little paper. It is. Look at prepared. That's the first bag. Oh my Lord. Stop yelling. This is the next one. Like I told y'all, everything matches the color of their bag. So then I got these. It's the little tabs that go on the thing. Then we got these. And then like a little bookmark. And then the bracelet. And then it comes with a card. We're gonna write the same little note in there. What? That's the second bag. You should see me out here struggling. I seen Darnella on the thing. I checked her location, but I don't see her out here. She's stressing me out.
Funny, I just said I needed another Bible.
And then these are the little tab things to like I got them the same color as the thing.
Oh, I just was telling them at work. I said I need no Bible cakes. It's always just with the gift shop.
One thing I know how to do
That's what
is give a gift.
You know how to pick out them gifts? Oh, this is so cute. And then
They're like pen permanent markers, permanent marker pens.
need that.
What took you so long? I checked your location. Your location said you was right there on the corner.
Oh, I'm in my key card. So
Oh.
it's like, you know, don't have a backup camera. So, you know, we was working on backing up.
I was like, it say she in the corner. Where she at?
I seen you walking in. You moved so fast. I was like, dang. Oh, thank you, Jen.
You're welcome.
And that's so crazy. I literally just said I need a Bible case. Hey, boo-boo.
Hey, boo.
I am definitely such an old lady. That's okay. My soul. Girl, I ain't gonna know how to hate. I'm gonna be hitting people with my Bible. Ooh, you gonna be hitting them with it? I'm gonna be hitting them with it. I literally just said I need one of these. Like, I'm really happy about it. Oh, I like it. Hey, this somebody you want to go to church. We gotta get her with the okie dokie one day.
Not this make me want to go to church.
And I got a Bible too. It fits it.
That's the little tabs to go on the pages. Yeah.
Yes, that's still in my purse. Thank you, Jasmine. You're so thoughtful. Where you ordered all this from?
Amazon. Those are transparent sticky pads, sticky notes.
Ooh. I feel so loved.
That's a bookmark.
This right here?
Mm-hmm.
It's probably too little.
It probably is.
I got a Bible this size. I probably need to buy another Bible. That's my cue to buy a new Bible.
No, I probably need to buy another Bible.
Our Bible prayer is ripped out of this Bible. I don't know who ripped it out, but it's ripped out. Oh my. Yes. Who had that Bible before you? It was mine. It was a gift from my uncle at church. It is ripped out because I was trying to write it down. So cute. Are you doing a vlog? Are you doing a...
Yeah. You call it a vlog?
What is it called?
Vlog, girl.
I hit my hand and pulled it down. Okay, I like this. Thank you, Jess.
You welcome. I thought about y'all because I had got me one.
Oh, yay.
I was like, ooh, I should get everybody one so we can be 20.
I don't know how to eat. I'm like, oh, let me pull my Bible out. Look, who used the Bible out? Don't play with me.
I seen somebody with like the sheepskin cover, and I was like, ooh, let me see if Amazon got it, but Amazon don't have it, so I probably have to go to like a custom website to get one.
Are we loud in here? Yeah, it's a little quiet. The other one is like crystals is more. It's like people just come pick that food up. It don't be this.
Yeah. It's not nice looking either.
Yeah. Girl, when I get my text.
Did you read it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you. I love you too. We have to get her. When I get the taxes.
Not when you get the taxes.
Like, we will be so shocked.
The people on my vlog is gonna think y'all are real ghetto.
Okay, cool.
I thought you said you never been here.
I've been to all of these. I've been to the one in Bamboo. I've been to the one in Needham or whatever you want to call it.
I went to Bamboo the other day with my sister because she was like, I want to try pho. I seen it on
What is
TikTok.
it? Mama Kim's? Mama Kim's. Yeah, but Mama Kim's made my stomach hurt. The only one that don't do that is Crystals.
This tastes like noodles. Like,
It's seasoned though. That's what I like about it. It's not. I just don't know, maybe it's just because the person is waiting on it. Well, is that waiting?
You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games.
my, okay, there we go. Better camera quality. Y'all sure didn't send us them pictures.
Shoot, 1250. You want about some life? I gotta do it again with me. Only way to get in the club, ain't gonna walk the team. I'm presidential, leave the club. We ain't stopping at no light. You wanna be a boss? You gotta pay the price. Self free some frost, look like a bag. I'm just getting details like I love my life.
So I'm editing my vlog and I realized I did not make an outro. So here I go. Thank y'all so much for 600 subscribers. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And thank y'all for watching this video. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.